of her things that she used when she was a craft show vendor. And you'll see some of the things that she has collected. The host of this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Buckeye Girls Reason Pets. Please check out their channel and the playlist for ideas on what to declutter.
Hey everybody, we are going through my trailer that we used to use during craft shows, and this trailer has not moved since 2019, and it still has my old cash register drawer in here. It's coming out probably to the burn pile. I can use that shelving. All those tent parts are going. Are those all tent parts?
Yeah, that's a dome tent there is.
Oh, that's that good dome tent?
$1,500 tent.
Well, we need to take that to the auction then. Okay, the $1,500 dome tent is not going, but he's been filling it with all of his stuff.
Flea market finds.
Flea market finds. Huh. Well, I got a paint container. So now I got to get off of here, go through the drawers. We always chained off so nobody got in our booth. What the heck? It's been 2019 since I've been in here. Oh, those are Brittany's. Think there's any money in the cash register?
I doubt it.
So anyway, this is all stuff. These are some kind of little tables. Don't know what they are yet. I've got all the black cloths for the backdrops. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take it to the auction, garage sale, or sell some online. But Marianne paints all of these with snowmen. So I'm thinking of pulling these out and painting on them. Oh, that's Brittany's. I was never in Hobnob. Give that to her. Now he's keeping these three.
One of each.
One of each. We have the buttercream paddle. Look at this old box of Band-Aids. And it still has old Band-Aids in it.
This one here's Band-Aids.
Oh, those are matchbooks. Look at all the Band-Aids in there. And the original wrappers. Okay, so. Yeah, we got some old coffee in the coffee tin. Oh, look at that.
Spotlight coffee.
Huh.
Grind it fresh. May 19th.
Yeah, it doesn't say a date though. It was only 79 cents, so it's got to be old coffee. Huh, that's different. Got egg baskets, the old coal bucket scoops, some kind of old wind
Folk art.
direction. Huh. That's pretty cool.
Somebody made all this stuff.
Yeah.
Kind of vintagey.
Man, maybe I should have a vintage sale after all. I didn't know we had such good stuff. Got the egg beaters, railroad tracks, some kind of old wood box.
It's the old shelf that came out of that mule barn.
Oh, back in the country when we lived out there?
No, the one that auction went to, the guy had mules.
Oh.
This great big long stick goes through there. This is to turn logs with.
There's an old stool.
Nice old crate there.
Crate. And then, so this was my old painting building. And he still didn't get my stuff out of here. This is all the stuff going to the auction. He's got these old buckets.
Ice cones. The old grass cutters back from the old days. That's what you use instead of a string trimmer.
Those are all snow globes. I just bought this. Don't know why, because I don't have any way to ship it. We got a sled here. Okay, now before this is going to the auctions, or I mean to my garage sale.
Okay, we can get it out.
So I'll have to get that out. There's the piano I have never painted, a little curio cabinet. All kinds of stuff in there.
Vintage lanterns in the box.
There we go.
Got
Except they're old, I don't think I can paint on them.
draw knives, got an old brass spittoon in there. Nice big old cowbell.
That needs a Highland cow painted on it.
Yeah, it does. And another cowbell. This needs a
There's that lamp I bought. Oh, it's 2 of them?
Yeah, I got 2 of them. That would look good.
There's that cypress knee lamp I bought at the thrift store.
Some really neat old clipboards.
Ah, those are cool.
And got some kind of old book here or something. Oh,
Oh, it's a
old
little
maps.
atlas. Marianne, I thought all he had was junk out here in this trailer.
Got
Look at all the-
ton of rug beaters. Tobacco shredder. Coca-Cola and Pepsi crates.
So they use this when, like, your family in Kentucky use that for
They
tobacco?
Run the tobacco down through there and shred it. Cure it. Got the old whiskey keg here. Fire extinguishers. I was telling what's all. Once I get back in there, I can't remember what else back. Got the old scooter there.
Oh, yeah, an old scooter. There's a small... Oh, that may be a big ironing board. I don't use those anymore. Okay, well, we're going to be pulling out today. I will come back on when I have more treasures to show you, but we're going to be taking it all to the auction. I like these old scoops and baskets. Marianne, did you see all the Prince Albert cans or velvet? I should take those out and paint a snowman on them. Rick's coffee. I may pull a few of those and paint on them. All right, guys, that's it so far. We got to finish unloading my trailer so it can go. Use Coca-Cola crates for your display. People are always trying to buy them. Well, we've got enough of them, but I'm not going to be displaying anymore, so we're going to see if they do well at the auction. All right, guys, I'll be back a little later.